Can we recover deleted ChatGPT's chats? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if it is possible to get back the chats that you might have accidentally deleted in your ChatGPT. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. So now let us begin. So the first thing you'll need to do is head over to your ChatGPT. After you're on your ChatGPT, you should see this interface right here. Now, let's say that you have deleted a chat accidentally. Now, you want it back. Now, is there a way that you can get it back? So let's try to find that out. Head over to the settings, and after you're on the settings, you should see different options. Now, you can go through each and every one of these, but you will notice that there is no option to get back the chat. Now, the only thing that you can do is export the chat that you already have and then look at it afterwards, and it would not matter if you delete it right here. Now, if you can see more options here, you will notice again that it's not possible. Now you can back it up to your Google Drive before you delete it. Now, accidents happen, but there is no way you can get back the chats. Now, if you head over to your web browser and simply search for it, there is an OpenAI developers forum that says that it is not really possible. So as it says right here, it is not possible to recover them, and it's generally a good practice to export your chats once in a while. So all it's saying is that you will need to have a backup for it. Now, let's just ask it to ChatGPT itself. Now, if it's possible, ChatGPT should know. But as it says right here, there is no in-app feature to recover deleted chats. And there are a few options that you can use to prevent this for the future. So as you can see right here, just back up your account, back up your browser and app cache. You can use your drive, you can save your conversations with the drive. And yeah, there is no way you can recover the deleted ChatGPT chats. And I hope this answers your question, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.